Hi everyone, we'll go back to reaction with Director Carson for the next of Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 30. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Chili Dog Day Afternoon.
Building takes teamwork.
Hello Sonic and your friends. What are you guys building?
Sonic, hold that support strut horizontal.
Since I'm the judge of this year's chili dog cook-off, I don't think I should help. I have to stay impartial.
No stage, no contest. No contest, no chili dogs to judge.
Tails, Knuckles, get to it.
Slam. Oof, man, that's gonna hurt.
I don't have time for this. I need Tails to prep the collar planks, and Knuckles to get the joist hangers, and Sticks to get more sticks. Ta-da!
Thanks for keeping Amy.
Wow, guys, you built that. That was fast.
What's that? Don't! That's a low-bearing banana!
Thanks a lot, Amy. You just make it knock it down to pull that banana out.
Total dum-dum.
Bananas give me splinters in my gums.
That's it. I'll build this stage myself.
Few minutes later.
And that, my friends, is a stage. Guys,
Cool stage, huh?
if you win, I'll wear the trophy upside down on my head like a hat for a year.
No way. My trophy, my hat.
No, Knuckles, I think he's trying to... just wear the hat.
Chili dogs.
I winning this year's cook-off with my super secret chili recipe.
What do you think, Sonic?
Ketchup,
Good.
wasabi, and chunks of expired pigeon meat.
Lucky guess.
I finished the stage. Praise me.
Thanks, Amy.
Nice job.
Thanks.
Amy said no problem.
Organizing the event of a water landing? We'll see who's staring when that thing lands in the ocean.
We don't need a judging stage. I've got the contest in the bag.
I thought you said it was in the bag.
Well, it's kind of actually a wood
Yeah,
box
who
with
has the smart
opening.
one now? That's a rhetorical question, by the way. The answer is, of course, me am. My secret weapon, a one-of-a-kind pepper.
Huh, that was like a tiger thing of the pepper color. Sonic, that's not kind of pepper. It's chili dog you're eating.
Peppers. I never said they were one-of-a-kind peppers.
There's another crate of those peppers you're selling us one-of-a-kind.
Wow, there's a lot of kind of pepper in the box
I got
he's
another
holding.
20 crates on the truck.
Well, that was poorly timed. I suppose you want a refund. I'll just get your money. I keep it in a place called Tough Luck Losers.
Crashed.
And one of you dears help a poor little old lady. No!
No!
If I'm gonna win that hat, I gotta go find a unique pepper.
Knuckles, where are you going? Oh wait, you found the pepper.
I have found the pepper of peppers. Hot with an indescribable flavor.
Good finder of the pepper.
There and now. Not so fast.
Dr. Eggman!
The face peeler Maximus.
Wow, that was a glow of pepper you had on your hand, Dr. Eggman.
Witness now, if you dare, the Chili Maker 5000.
Copyright Eggman Industries, patent pending, all rights reserved, some restrictions apply.
This little beauty extracts the very essence of the chili pepper, creating a chili dog of unprecedented potency.
I like you tried to test it. Whoa, cool.
If you want to win this thing, you need the lost pepper of Clatterhorn.
Well, hand it over.
What part of lost didn't you get? Luckily, I've got this one-of-a-kind map. Woohoo!
Did that lady give Knuckles a map? I think so.
Where do you want this crate of one-of-a-kind maps?
Split them with the others.
Almost there.
Or not. Holy shoot, that was close. He could have gone hurt himself.
Of terrifying slipperiness.
Did he get slit many times? I don't know, he's probably on the wrong guys, I think.
The field of baby ducks. Hey, little fella. Gosh, you're cute.
You should be careful with that, they're exploding at ya.
Look at you. Look at you.
He's gonna explode them all?
Look at you. Hey, little fella.
I don't think people should do that on purpose.
Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me 87 times, shame on me.
What's that microphone above the button?
Congratulations! You have successfully traversed the lands of the doomed. So sit
Oh wait,
back
never
and
mind, it's a
relax
megaphone.
on the recliner of the doomed.
Hey, little fella.
Wait a second. In the place from the season 1 episode 1 again?
Let me go.
Every time.
This is not us.
Yeah.
I seek the lost pepper of Claggerhorn. Why do you seek it? To roast over an open
Unless the
flame,
lava's
to
dried
the seeds from its
and it's
inside,
gone.
Chop it into tiny pieces, scald it in boiling oil, and use it to flavor my chili for a chance to win a very small trophy. I am the lost pepper of Claggerhorn. Let me finish. It's the opposite of what I would do. Nice recovery, Abby. Dude, what's with your head bite? Jesus.
Oh, look at that. Those peppers, they're alive.
Remind me of the whole we lost.
They could move and
What's
talk.
happening? It's just that his old son. Claggerhorn was
Kind
a
of.
paradise. Lush green meadows, majestic
Creepy.
mountains, and a hot springs, laddie. It was prophesied that a big doom oaf would come one day to lead us back to our beloved hot springs.
All springs.
They were hot.
Never seen them
We
there
have
before.
found our oath. The time has come, me pepper people. We must reclaim our land for our children and our children's children. Are you with me? Yes! Oh, sorry.
Looks like Knuckles with them. What's gonna happen?
That's something you don't see every day.
I mean, never surrender.
Those tiny peppers who's alive who can move and talk is attacking Sonic's friends. Right from Knuckles who's with them.
Deal with these pests. You got it, Bob. Ow!
Knuckles, what are you doing?
I'm helping these pepper people reclaim what is rightfully theirs.
By attacking your friends?
You're gonna have to
Knuckles, it doesn't have to be this way. Don't listen to him.
for Claggerhorn!
Knuckles, finish him.
Lost Pepper! You okay? She's hurt.
Oh wait, never mind, he's still alive. He fell relaxed in the pot.
Springs of old. What with expired pigeon meat?
Does everyone know my secret ingredient?
No.
This is perfect. The pepper
They
can
felt
be
like it
used
was
with
from the
our
hot
soap,
spring.
and in turn, they flavor our chili. It's a
Wait,
win-win.
it does?
So, what is it you do with this chili anyway? Pour it on your enemies from the turrets of your castles to scald them into submission?
Are you kidding? We put it on hot dogs and we eat you. I mean it.
But oh, that is chunky in my grandfather's beard. You want to eat our essence? Screws over! Attack! Tis like the world's finest honey.
Oh, he likes chili dogs, like Sonic.
Taste of its lungs. I don't need to taste the others. We have a winner! Sometimes it just takes a little teamwork to really... Hey, there he is! Knuckles!
Knuckles? Wait a second. Did he eat the pepper and it caused him unconscious and had a dream? I think so.
We've been looking for you ever since then.
I ate this pepper. It was a tiny bite, but it gave me this crazy dream. Or maybe it was a dream. A pepper that strong? Come on, Knuckles. That's impossible.
Oh, Knuckles had a dream. What a relief. Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 30, Chili Dog Day Afternoon, the end. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe so I make some more videos. Before you have to go, you can make a chili dog on next month in Labor's Day. Sounds cool, right? So, goodbye. Have a good eat. Chili dogs in next month, September and Labor's Day. Bye.